Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change language on your Mi Smart Projector 3 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to navigate in the top right corner of our screen and press on the settings button. Then go to the device preferences and press OK. From here find language and click on it. From here you'll be able to pick whichever language you want to use. So for example, here I'm gonna choose Polish, and after a bit of lag, our language will change. Now let's go back for the English. And after a few seconds, the language is changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.